Good afternoon. I am here in the food court. I eat here, and yeah, this one. This is just chicken nuggets and chips, and I also bought this a bag for the bike. Yeah, so that I have a place to put this camera when I'm on my bike. I think it's good. We are now heading to the gym. The time now is 3:50. So I will be here for maybe 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, we are right now here in the gym. And you know, this gym is open 24 hours. And I usually start with this, with the treadmill. I don't know the name of this machine. This one. I can lift up to 30 kg. I mean 30 kg and 30 kg on the other side. That's the maximum that I can do. Okay, I just finished. And my bike is there. Nice. So yeah, this is the one that I bought from Kmart. This is $10. The time now is 4:45. I've been in the gym for 45 minutes. Nice. There are a group of birds there. Those birds. A group of birds there. Huh?
Can I do a shout out from Instagram?
Alright, sure.
Find me at Oscar.nudie.
I don't understand.
Follow me at Oscar.muty. Oscar.nudie.
On Instagram.
On Instagram.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What is that one?
A lightsaber. No, I found it down there.
Ah, okay. But what's the purpose?
I don't know what it is.
Ah, it's not for sport something, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See ya.
Good evening, guys. How are you today? I hope you are having a good time. Yeah. I almost forgot that I need to charge this bike. When I get home today, going uphill is a little bit complicated. Yeah. The lights of the electricity was already blinking. Yeah, so I'm charging it. And you know, I feel that the battery life is becoming less these days. Yeah, because you know, normally when I charge it for 6 hours, it lasts for 7 days. Yeah, I use it every day for 6 kilometers, going and coming back, 6 kilometers. And then during my day off, I bike around and it still lasts for 7 days. But these days, it lasts only for around 4 to 6 days. Maybe because I go to the gym, because you know, going to the gym is another 6 kilometers. Yeah, I think that's the reason why it is giving me just less days now. If this bike is not electric bike, I will not attempt to get up in here. It is just very easy climbing up here with this electric bike. Just look how high is that coming from down there. Nice, mate. I don't know if you can see, but that bird, yeah, no, it's gone. He was eating the fish. Oh, he's diving again. That bird is diving. Oh yeah, The fish is already dead and he's just trying to keep it. And look at this one, noisy. A lot more in there. They're kakatu, and I don't know the rest. Look at this. I have been sitting there for quite a while, and those birds are very noisy. Hey, look at that. They have one big camera there. It's recording the video with that. So I have been using this camera for like 3-4 days now. And of course, it is not very convenient compared to my GoPro Hero 5. Because you know, most of the time I am riding in a bike and I cannot just take pictures or take video because I need to remove the lens cover. I need to zoom, things like that, compared to, of course, the GoPro Hero 5 is very light, very small, and I can hold it with my one hand even if I am driving. Yeah, we're going closer to the pelican. Nice. A lot of them, right? Look at that. It's just there. Wow. Can you imagine that you can see that kind of fish? I forgot the name. Yeah, what kind of fish is that? I've seen already before in there, but it was here. This one is bigger, huh? They are not afraid of me. So basically there are people there and they are cleaning the fish, and all this pelican, they are waiting for the scraps of the fish.